Hey, CatRiders.com. Just wanted to show you the Yosh pipe install. It's pretty simple. You basically have a bracket right here, mounts to the stock area, and then you also have the bracket down here that mounts. That one actually, I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it mounted on the front part, and when you get the Yosh pipe, it mounts on the back. I didn't know that when I went to install it. Maybe that'll help somebody. As far as the sound, well, let me start it up real quick. Hope that helps anybody who wants to buy one. There we go.